Hello and thanks for joining us. Today we'll discuss searching for resources with Ebsco. More Library subscribes to three main content providers, Ebsco, ProQuest, and independent vendors. Today we'll focus on Ebsco. There are multiple ways to begin a database search, and choosing any database with Ebsco in its title or under the Ebsco heading in the A to Z list will get you started. When searching off campus, you must log on with your More Library account information. If you have any problems with logon, contact the circulation department. Here we have the Ebsco search screen. The top left menu offers various search options and will change depending on which database or combination of databases you choose. The right menu stays the same, offering access to the Ebsco login, which is separate from the library account and offers temporary record storage. Options for language and display preferences, a link to the Ask the Librarian, and a link to the Ebsco Help feature. The remainder of the page focuses on the various search options which you can set before or after you initiate a search. The first thing to note is our database, Academic Search Complete. If we wanted to see other Ebsco database options, we choose or click Choose Databases. Here we have all the Ebsco databases More Library subscribes to. Hover over the dialog box of any database to find out more. You can search one at a time or choose any combination to search at once, depending on your information needs. As we can see from our chosen database, it is scholarly and multidisciplinary while offering full text and a variety of resource types, so we'll stick with Academic Search Complete. Next, we can change the field type, add Boolean operators, or take advantage of the multiple search fields. We can change the other search options or limiters on the next screen. Let's perform a word search for online learning. And as you can see, there are pre-populated search terms or keywords that are relevant to our original search. On the results screen, there are several features to make note of. First, we see our results that have some relevance to online learning and our original word search. To the right, we have display and share options, and to the left, we have the search options and limiters that will allow us to refine our search results. We can limit by full text, available references, or scholarly peer-reviewed. We can also change the publication date in either direction, and we can determine the search types, which include anything from academic journals to popular magazines, trade publications, and more. The options in this column will change depending on the databases chosen. Each result on the page will show its bibliographic information, subject headers, and source type. Hovering over or clicking the magnifying box or glass will show bibliographic information as well as a brief abstract. Clicking on the folder will send it to the temporary Ebsco storage. Just be sure to log into your Ebsco account so that you can have longer-term access to your saved records. Finally, each record displays the document access provided. You'll either see HTML full text, PDF full text, or Find It. If you see Find It, the item is either unavailable for digital access at the moment, or it would need to be ordered from Interlibrary Loan. Please see the Interlibrary Loan video for more information about that service. Something else to note, EBSCO not only offers access to journals, magazines, and publications, but also some videos and images, as we can see here. Before we choose an article, we can try to reduce this number to a much more manageable set of results. We can choose the full text, scholarly, and publication date to start, or we can utilize one of the multiple search fields and include a modifier which can be determined by population, demographic, or geography, or any number of factors. Let's choose Article 1. This is a more detailed record of the article, and because it also includes an HTML full text reference, here's the entire article in HTML format. We also have the PDF full text link, and to the right, we have various tools that will allow us to export this item to Google. It can be emailed to any email account, not just your school account. It can be saved to your computer, and it offers other referencing options. To return to our results list, we click Result List, and here we are. Please view some of our other videos for more detailed information on searching with EBSCO and our other reference providers. Remember, if you have any questions about anything in this recording, contact the reference department or the circulation department. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.